The last light type is the Omni light type, and this is essentially a single light source emanating light in all directions. And you can see under the rollout that it also has quite a few parameters. It can also cast shadows. You can change its attenuation, its color, and so forth. To place it in a scene, simply click anywhere in any one of the views. We can select the camera view and render it out to see what that looks like. An example of an Omni light might be something like a light bulb, or a camera, or a candle that emanates light in all directions from a single point.